Hey friends, hope you're doing fine. Today I give you an answer to the question, is Power BI free or not? This is a question I always get from people who are new because they heard that Power BI is totally free. So the question of course then arises, well, if the software is for free, how does Microsoft make money? Or is this really the case? Is it free? And why are there different kinds of licensing types? Well, that is a good question. So I opened the documentation and let's have a quick look at this. And the main difference between Power BI Free and Power BI Pro or Premium per user, which is both are paid or licensed versions, is security. So what I mean by that is you can use Power BI completely for free. The Power BI desktop can be downloaded for free, and all the functionality you use when you build your reports is exactly the same as with Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium per user. So there's no difference in Power BI Desktop regarding that. It's always the same software. The difference arises when you want to share your reports with other people. So when you publish your report, so you upload it to the cloud, to the so-called Power BI service, then with Power BI Free you can do that and you get 1 GB of free storage if you register. But you can only share your report then with the whole world. So you don't have the option to do any secure sharing there. On the other hand, if you have Power BI Pro or Premium per user, the other two licenses types, this allows you to share your data inside your report securely with other people inside your organization. Now, beside this, with Pro and Premium per user, there are additional features which you can use inside the Power BI service, which is, for instance, incremental refresh of the data or using scorecards and other kinds of options. So there are a few things you can do inside the service which are limited to a paid version, to a licensed version, like Pro and Premium per user. And the difference between Pro and Premium per user is then that Premium per user, of course, has some additional features inside the service which Pro doesn't have. For instance, these are things regarding machine learning and AI, for instance, there's a difference. Also, the amount of storage inside the service and so on. So that's why the Premium is a little bit more expensive than the Pro. But in general, the desktop version of Power BI is exactly the same for all three versions. You always download the same software. It's exactly the same. There's no difference between those. And you can use all the features in the free version. But when it comes to securely sharing your data, this is the main point where you need licensing. And that's then also how Microsoft makes money. So that's it for this topic. So hopefully that answers any question you might have on that. If you want to learn more, just let me know. Give me some feedback, and then I'll try to answer this maybe in the next episode. So thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like, and also please consider subscribing, because the more people subscribe, the more it encourages me to make further videos for you. So thanks a lot, take care, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.